Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can view the team performance targets on Tool4seller app. So for viewing that, just open the Tool4seller app. So after opening the app, here we just need to go to the function section. We can see in the bottom, we can see in the right side of the alert section, we can just see the function section right there. Just tap on the functions right here. And when we reach to the function section, we can just see the in the business analytics section, we can just see the more option. Just tap on the more option right here. So in here we can just see the team performance targets right here. So if you have an account connection, we can just see the team performance targets on Tool4seller app. So this is where we can view the team performance targets on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.